Welcome to the first class of this free course, and in this course we will learn exactly what is an algo trading, how we can automate our trading journey from manual trading to auto trading. We will discuss the setup, how to get algorithms, how to create algorithms, the algorithm stores, and a lot of things in this course. Without wasting any time, let's begin. What is algo trading? We can say 24 by 7 trading assistant. This is presented by Trading Board Lab. Let's move to the topic, and the first topic is challenge of manual trading. Exactly, when you do manual trading, you need to stay on chart for a long time. You need to wait for the signal. Let's suppose we will assume a strategy that you have a 50 EMA exponential moving average, and your trading rules are when price go up and cross this line upward, you will open a buy trade and you will close that trade when the profit give us a $50. And the same scenario for the sell side, anytime the crossover can happen. So you need to watch the market consistently. That is the biggest problem. Because of that, you may lose a lot of opportunities. And the other one of biggest cause of making losses is that we trade with emotion. So let's suppose when a trade start giving us like losses and start playing in loss, we move the SL upside, downside, or maybe we close the trade panically. This is like a second job, or maybe you are not able to do anything else if you are trading manually. So the solutions are in this full course. In this video we will discuss the basics, and till the end class you will be able to download your own robot and set up on your trading account, set your settings, and the robot will start trading for you. You just need to have an active computer and internet connection. So let's move to the next, which is baking cooking analog. We will discuss a example like you are baking cookies. You have your own special and secret recipe which you follow and create. If you got a robot, and you just need to put your secret recipe in that robot, and that robot start baking cookies for you while you sleep. So the next is, what's an algorithm? This is a very basic and very like a complex question at some points, but we will try to understand it with simple terms. In simple words, an algorithm is a set of rules. You can also call it the automation of a strategy. Let's suppose there is a robot and there are set of rules which will work automatically. Don't worry about how it will work automatically, how to set up. In the next upcoming videos we will be discussing all these steps in detail. If you don't get it exactly what is an algorithm, you can say it is a software program. It's a little application. Let's suppose you are using your mobile. The major software is Android or ISO or like Apple or something like that. Let's discuss about the Android. In the Android, you install some other application to use in your mobile. The same way, there are a lot of trading robots, and the robots are just a piece of software, a little application which is specially developed based on some specific rules. So let's move to the next and meet your first trading robot. Definitely many of you may be waiting for this. Meet your MT5 MetaTrader 5 robot. There is an EA. EA means expert advisor. So in the next upcoming slides we will discuss exactly what is expert advisor. Is your personal trading robot lives inside MetaTrader 5's work while as you sleep. How it will open and close the trades. Exactly, this is the main point to understand. If you got this point, the upcoming classes will be easier to understand. In the manual trading, you install a MetaTrader application on your mobile or maybe on your laptop, and in the MetaTrader 5 you log in your trading account which is provided by your broker. If you don't know which broker is the best, the link is is in the description, our recommended broker. When you click on the link in the description, you need to sign up for, and then you will create an account, deposit your money, and then you will log in that MT5 trading account to MetaTrader 5 application on your laptop. In this course, I am assuming that you already know how to create account with a broker, how to download MetaTrader 5, but if you don't know, in the upcoming classes we will cover all these topics as well. But our main topic in this course is how to use algo trading, how you can automate your set of trading rules to get rid of these regular monitoring and this headache. Let's move to the next. The first and the main and biggest advantage is my work of 1 week the robot can do in 1 second. At the same time, the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, the sentiment, and there are a lot of reading charts, candles, in any kind of strategy you are following. When the robot is trading, there will be no emotions at all. A robot can work 24/7 for you. So let's move to the next. It's set in action. So let me show you this robot here. Here you see a robot is working and it is opening buy, sell trades and closing. Everything is happening magically, automatically. There is no human interaction. Do you need to understand the coding? You don't need any coding. The next question, where to get these robots? Yes, so we will get these robots from the mql5.com, an official store for robots. There are thousands of free robots available on mql5.com. How to choose a free robot and what kind of free robots, we will just discuss some basics, but when we do practical in the upcoming classes, we will discuss everything step by step in more depth. And yes, in the next class we will download one robot from the market, and here the safety is first. The safety of what and safety from what? The safety of our investment, the safety of our capital, the safety of our MetaTrader account, our broker's account where we invest, and the safety from the robot. A robot should be accurate, a robot should be profitable. We should now advance in these few things like the rules of that robot. Exactly by reading the description, we will know what rules are the base for this robot and download only free robot. Also, we will check the rating, the reviews of the users for verification of the quality, if a robot is good or not. All these things will be discussed practically. We will see when we will be selecting the best robot for our demo account. And yes, in the start I will strongly recommend you to do this on demo account, not on the real account. After completing this course, you will be master of algo trading, and also we will test it risk free in the next. And at the end, I will request you to support me to keep doing it for you by subscribe and like the video. Comment below on which kind of market we should be focusing on, like forex, crypto or stocks. For now, that's it, and thank you for watching. See you soon in the next class. Goodbye.